Currently, I'm working on the Żigużajg Festival, and it's a very special edition because it's the 15th anniversary.
Il-Minuta tibda issa. Zofia Stelmaszczyk, koordinatriċi ta' assistenza għal Festival żiguġajg. Zofia, when did you decide to start building a career in arts and culture?
My mom worked in a puppet theater, and I saw this performance when I was 3. And I think I drew like 20 drawings of the performance. And then I started recreating it in front of my TV. So I think I never stood a chance to do anything else.
Was there a particular project that really kind of showed you what kind of artist you want to be?
It was volunteering for a community theater. It was just this combination of socially engaged theater, but also working internationally. And I think that's really influenced me a lot.
What project are you working on at the moment so we can bask in your talent as well?
Currently, I'm working on the żigużajg Festival, and it's a very special edition because it's the 15th anniversary. A very satisfying part of my job is that I coordinate internship programs, allowing emerging professionals to get the skills that they will use later on in their career in a safe and also fun environment.